Cup and a half of oil. How thick should it be? Oh, I'm getting tired.
Okay. That's gonna have to do, man. Into the fridge. Should we take a try? It's not that thick. Maybe it could be thicker. It's supposed to thicken up a little in the fridge too. Let's try some. Oh my God, I'm afraid. Wow. Hey. Wow, it tastes like mayonnaise, man. Holy crap! Even if it didn't work, I was prepared to move on to step 3, which is making a sandwich. And I'll explain it when we get there. Just gonna try it again. Wow. Thick or not, that tastes really good. I got a lot to say, we're gonna say it quick. So the recipe called for a Dover egg beater. How cool is that? How cool is it that you can find a Dover egg beater on eBay? Second, these are tinned. You don't want to use a hard abrasive, sandpaper or heavy steel wool. In hindsight, perhaps I should have tried Bon Ami 1886, it's non-toxic. I did wash these so many times I don't even remember. And I washed them before I actually used them again. That said, maybe you want to use Bon Ami. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? Look at it! Funny enough, I googled the thickness of homemade mayonnaise, and it said one of the reasons why it might not be that thick is that it's too cold. And the funny thing is, this recipe says everything should be cold. So you got me on that one. Boar's head, spiced ham, pickle lemonade. Do you remember your first job? The first real job where you worked in an office or a store? My first real job was in a toy store, a hobby shop called Lightner & Son in Morristown, New Jersey in the 70s. I don't know how old I was. It was my very first job. Right next door was a deli. I would get spiced ham on a roll with mayo, pickle, and lemonade. And I had this memory of the pickle and the lemonade. It was just something I loved. Oh, why didn't I cut it in half? Let's. Oh man. All right. Done. Boar's head. I just have this memory. Do you have this memory? What was your favorite meal in the first job you ever had? I'm going to take a bite of this, then I'm going to take a bite of the pickle and the lemonade and see if that touches a memory nerve. I love Boar's Head spiced ham. And our mayo! Let's have a bite of pickle. Sip of lemonade. Wow, it's the pickle and lemonade. Maybe it's maybe it's not so much the spiced ham. No, I mean I did have spiced ham, but the memory is the pickle and lemonade. Let's do that again. Yeah, that's it. Pickle and lemonade. I wasn't confident that this would have worked at all. It's not as thick as it should be. Let's try it again. It's really good. Oh my gosh. This might be the best mayonnaise I've ever tried. That's unexpected. Such a simple lunch. Such memories. Lightner & Son toy store. Take one more bite. What is today? Wednesday? Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. That's delicious. Gosh, Boar's Head spiced ham.